In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency settings in your Booksy Biz account. Whether you're running your business from the convenience of a mobile app or seated comfortably in front of a computer, this process ensures that your finances are always in your preferred format for easy management and clarity. Let's start by logging into your Booksy Biz account. You can do this from either the mobile app or via the web on your desktop. The choice is yours. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen of Booksy Biz, which should look quite familiar. Now, let's navigate to the Settings tab. This tab is your doorway to customizing and tailoring your Booksy experience to fit your business needs. Unearthing this option may require a bit of scrolling depending on your interface, but don't worry. It's nestled among other essential tools that you might find useful as you continue to optimize your account settings. Once you're in the settings area, the next step is to select business settings. In some cases, you may find it labeled as payments and policies. This slight variation can depend on your geographical location or specific account details, but either way, it's fundamentally the same area we're aiming to explore. Once you're there, look out for an option marked as currency settings. This is the magical section where you can establish the currency format that best suits your business transactions, ensuring all your financials align with your regional and personal preferences. The currency options you can choose from are influenced by the country where your account is registered, so you'll be selecting from a tailored list catered to your locale. Scroll through the available options to find your preferred currency. For many businesses, this might align with the currency that the majority of their clients use, or it could simply be the currency that you find most straightforward to handle daily transactions in. And once you've selected the currency that fits your needs, it's crucial not to forget the final step: saving your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually prominently displayed. Confirming or saving these changes ensures that your preferences are locked in and ready to apply to all future financial operations within your Booksy Biz account. With these settings initiated, you can confidently manage your bookings and financial transactions without worrying about unexpected currency discrepancies. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain control and clarity over your business finances. Thanks for hanging out with me as we navigated through this adjustment, and here's to smooth sailing with your Booksy Biz transactions from now on.